The company's name is PD Fluted Cartons. We are into specialized boxes, which means we make board cartons as well as e-fluted and micro-flute cartons. Basically, these are the boxes which you see in the window or on the shelves of a store, and we say that we create the brand for the party, because branding is a lot which happens through packaging. So packaging is very necessary, and we create the brand image for the customer. Oh, there were a number of challenges: the place, the workers, the finance, which is always, labor is a problem, specialized labor is never available, and getting finance from the bank is not easy also. It's always been a very difficult part, and as a small time manufacturing company, it's very difficult. And of course, later on, the market is a very big challenge, getting into the right kind of customers. Either you get the kind of customers who don't pay, or you get the customers who are very large, who don't want to look at you. So definitely the aim was very clear that we wanted to look at high quality cartons, which obviously were needed by the high quality customers. And also behind our back, it was because we wanted to stick to the quality market, and these customers would always pay on time. So, you know, getting back our money would not be so difficult. It was also true that these customers are very difficult to break into. So it was a big challenge trying to get our first customer. We started with liquor, but we found that over the years that there were other challenges with them. Their payments were very bad. The changes in the cartons happened very often. So slowly we moved into the shaving products, the seed companies, the paint industry, the car automobile spare parts. Today we are supplying for Mahindra, we are supplying laser shaving, we are supplying Osha International. A very large customer who helped us turn around was Schneider Electric Private Limited. We are giving boxes to Mahindra also. Finally, if you really scout around, MSME and APSFC are two agencies where there are a lot of schemes for women and for small-time entrepreneurs. MSME has a lot of schemes. APSFC have good loan options for entrepreneurs. The rate of interest is slightly higher, but initially if you don't have collaterals, and then it's wise to go through them. If you have a good rapport with the bank, that also will work. So basically, if you believe in yourself and you're willing to take a challenge, then that's how we went through it. We fought our way through it, and everything is possible. Loans are possible to get. We also didn't have collaterals to give. We also had a lot of other problems, but we fought our way and things are possible. So just believe in yourself and work hard towards your goal. That's what I would say. They will be successful then.